great challenges fiscally ng city. May raraos natin, may tatawid natin. Kaya ba, Diyos, makakatawid tayo. As you can see, about a few minutes ago, I was with the international group of organization and individual, helping us sharing our idea to the world and their best practices sa atin to end tuberculosis in the city of Manila. So maraming tumutulong, maraming kumikilos. Si Maylene, laging mabilis kumikilos. And dalawa, isa sa dalawang bagong itinatayo na public library is located in Santa Cruz, at San Luis Sacramento. So these are the things that we continue to invest. At ang silid-apatan o library ay hindi na lang ng bata. Shout out sa mga lolo-lola ko. Kung wala kayong ginagawa, nasa candy lang kayo. Diba ka mga, habang kayo nasa pangkita, may promos na, dito, safe kayo, aliwalas. It will make it more place with a good environment, better environment. But what matters most is that today is the day. It's the day that we will see a lot of movement way forward, always moving on. Keep on moving on. Some will fail, some will succeed. But what matters most every day we give